Are you looking for the best follow me drone? In this video we will look at some of the best follow me drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Cine. The DJI Mavic 3 Cine is a pro-grade filmmaking and photography drone with a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera. The Hasselblad is an extremely compact 4/3 camera that captures 4K video at 60 fps and 1080p quality images. The Mavic 3 Cine offers incredible focus control, allowing users to manually adjust the camera's aperture to achieve the exact shot and depth of field you want. DJI even created an optional remote purely for focus controls, the DJI Focus, that you can opt to purchase to get the most out of your camera settings. At any rate, the camera captures 12.8 stops of dynamic range, which produces incredible detail in shadows and highlights. Number 2, DJI Mavic Mini. Somehow, the DJI Mavic Mini manages to include advanced visual tracking recognition and a high-quality camera into a drone that folds to about the size and weight of a smartphone, which is ideal and lightweight for taking it with you wherever you travel. If you want a powerful drone with fantastic portability, the DJI Mavic Mini is the super compact camera drone you want. As a sub 250 gram drone, the Mavic Mini is just slightly heavier than a smartphone and folds up to only 5.5 inches for easy transport. Its lightweight design enables it to achieve a great 30-minute flight time even with a smaller battery than standard-sized drones. Plus it's a good portable drone. The Mavic Mini uses the same high-quality CMOS sensor as other DJI drones, which gives you use of fabulous and steady tracking features. You can use the DJI app to control everything, so there's no need to bring an extra controller with you if you're traveling light. The camera is mounted to a 3-axis gimbal and captures up to 2.7K HD resolution video. Number 3, DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Pro excels in all of its features, beginning with excellent 27-minute average flight times that allows users to cover up to 8 miles off one charge. The drone can transmit a live video stream with a transmission range of up to 4.3 miles away from you. It's also incredibly easy to fly with great automatic smart flight mode features like precision hover, obstacle avoidance sensors, and automatic leveling. All of this is achieved with 2 high-quality sensors that make it one of the safest drones to fly. The Mavic Pro's camera system is fantastic as well, featuring 4K video capture at 30 fps and a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer for smooth footage. This drone is extremely easy to position for tracking and at different altitudes. Once set, it maintains a level height to the ground, even on uneven terrain. You can toggle on a tripod mode that optimizes the drone's movements to capture sharp photography. It also has a very handy gesture mode that allows you to simply gesture at the drone when it's tracking you to take pictures. The DJI company's patented Active Track technology allows you to use a hybrid of precise GPS tracking with visual recognition for more dynamic, reliable tracking performance. Number 4, DJI Spark. One of our favorite drones, the DJI Spark Auto Follow drone, is all about fun, which is why it makes it easy for people to launch quickly, capture fun videos and pictures, and send them to your phone or other devices, and share them directly on social media. The DJI Spark is a fun, easy-to-use drone with the benefit of DJI's high-end tech and software. Launch the Spark within seconds from the palm of your hand with its quick launch feature that kicks on by simply recognizing your face. This feature is fantastic for a quick selfie, along with its intuitive gesture controls that allow you to frame the shot and take photos with your handed gestures. You can also turn on palm control mode, which allows you to operate simple basic movements with your hands. Capturing 1080p HD video and 12MP photos is just as easy, with precision tracking through Active Track and intuitive, one-touch capture and tap fly mode. Content can be delivered to your smartphone. The DJI Go 4 app allows you to quickly compose and edit cinematic videos and photos, then share them directly to your favorite social media platforms. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air boasts a long list of intelligent features that enable it to do almost everything automatically, including following a subject, sensing and avoiding obstacles, following a flight path, and more. The DJI Mavic Air 2 is an advanced drone that's packed with intelligent features, like AcuSync 2.0, which allows video transmission from the drone to your device at an impressive range of up to 6.2 miles away. When you're in tracking mode, you can use the Spotlight 2.0 Smart Flight feature to have the camera precisely lock onto a subject no matter how the drone is flying within space. The Mavic Air 2 has omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning it's hypersensitive to its environment in 3 different directions: forward, backward, and downward. That makes for smooth flying and precise obstacle recognition and avoidance, which is especially important when operating around trees to avoid crashes. The Mavic Air 2 also has an intelligent flight battery that maximizes flight time to 34 minutes. The battery power provides accurate real-time battery life updates and can sense any instance of overheating. The drone's camera delivers 4K video at 60 fps and 48 MP photos. Number 6. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom allows you to capture true-to-life colors and vibrant gradients in incredible 4K HD video quality. Highlights and shadows look amazing, and manual aperture settings make getting the perfect video effortless. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom delivers some serious video via its Mavic 2 Pro Hasselblad camera with 2x optical zoom. Videos and images are processed with the camera's patented Hasselblad natural color solution that optimizes for enhanced, true-to-life color detail with a fantastic dynamic range. You'll notice a stunning difference in lighting and gradation when capturing aerial shots of natural landscapes, making it an excellent choice for aerial video. High-quality video captured in 4K HD resolution offers fantastic lighting contrast, great color tones, and vibrant highlights that will get you that cinematic shot. You can manually adjust the camera's f/2.8 f/11 aperture, which provides excellent control over the lighting and smoothness of your footage. The camera's 48mm telephoto lens is the ideal size for capturing cinematic, professional-looking video. You can also extend its 2x optical zoom up to 4x with digital lossless technology, even when shooting in full HD. Number 7. Holystone HS100. The Holystone HS100 is a fun self-following drone for the budget-conscious enthusiast with some surprisingly advanced features not usually found in entry-level drones. The Holystone HS100 boasts a wide range of fantastic smart features for a drone at a friendly price range. Its Follow Me mode provides automatic, accurate tracking that keeps you centered in the frame of the camera. The camera lens provides a 120-degree wide-angle panoramic view. It is also adjustable up to 90 degrees vertically, which provides great versatility with your camera angles at this affordable price. For the cost, it's amazing that you can capture video in up to 2K HD resolution and transmit it directly to your mobile device. The drone's flight controls are intuitive for beginners, including one-key takeoff, options to hold a specific altitude, and an automatic one-key return home feature. The return home feature initiates automatically if the battery is about to run out. One tip to extend your flight time is to bring fully charged spare batteries in case the first battery runs low on juice. Its 4 rotors are designed to be wind-resistant for added safety and stability when capturing photos and videos. Number 8. Holystone HS720. The Holystone HS720 foldable GPS drone maximizes its high-grade construction and fantastic camera with a smart remote controller interface, including an LED screen. This gives users the ability to operate the drone without a smartphone or smart device while still getting real-time flight info. For a truly remote experience, you'll have to try one of the top-rated fixed-wing drones. The Holystone HS720 is a very portable, compact foldable drone made from high-quality materials with durable construction that's great for beginners. This durable drone really stands out with its fantastic controller interface, which allows you to easily view flight information like battery life, location, speed, and a first-person view from the drone. The intuitive controls make it easy to initiate automatic tracking and other one-touch actions at a range of up to 0.6 miles away. Capture video with ease in 4K HD resolution.